Now I will tell you how to define the cost accounts. Cost accounts are the numbers or identities against which the progress and the cost can be booked. For defining the cost accounts, go to the enterprise and then cost accounts. This window is prompt up. Now by clicking this add button, you are going to add a new cost account or cost code or cost center. In order to add a cost account, the filter will be changed to display all the cost accounts. Right now there is no cost account available, so we are going to create new one. Click this one, OK, and this is the cost account ID, and this is the cost account name. I am going to write this ID. Suppose we are going to create the cost accounts under one heading, so I am going to write here CPM cost accounts. Now I will define further activity codes under this one. By using this navigation key, I will move this cost account ID on the left side so that this can become the child of this parent, or and I will write here its account ID as 1001. You can define any specific and unique code account for the work. For example, I am giving 1001 to the design engineer. All the cost and progress of these design engineer will be booked in this category, in this code. Add another cost account parallel to 1001. I'm going to write it 1002 field engineers. In this way, I have defined the different cost accounts with different IDs. At the bottom, I can I can add some description regarding this cost account. So I'm just going to write here some comments about design engineer. Design engineer includes, you can define any notes here. After doing this one, just close this button.